one is Indonesian traditional food.
Yeah. Okay. This is what?
This is satay. This is basically chicken skewer and then fried rice.
Yeah.
And then here we get rendang. This is a very special dish.
But the rice is small. The rice is small.
Well, you can have two portions then.
Okay.
So this is different.
haddana waxaan joogaa wadanka Indonesia ayaan joogaa wonderful Indonesia bay kusoo qoreen bal hidahooda iyo dhaqankoodan eegaynaa meeshaan cunooyinka ayaa ugu badan iyo dharka waxa lagu soo bandhigayo dalka Indonesia marka asxaabtoodan wareysan doonaa cunooyinkan iyo alaabahan kala duwan maaragtay halkan lagu soo bandhigayo alaabtan ay u jeedaan Indonesia laga cunaa marka waa cajiib siday u samaysan tahay kani waa bariis kani wuxuu ka samaysan yahay ma garanayo kule ayaga noo sharxi doona marka qof ka mid a iyaga ayaan soo qabanayaa si marka uu xoogaa faahfaahin uga bixiyo can someone help me to explain this can you take this please start here.
This is going on YouTube or?
YouTube yeah not problem people will not see you.
So this one is Indonesian traditional food.
Yeah. Okay. This is what?
This is satay. This is basically chicken skewer and then fried rice.
Yeah.
And then here we get rendang. This is a very special dish.
But the rice is small. The rice is small.
Well, you can have two portions then.
Okay.
So this is beef rendang. This is the special dish from Indonesia. This is made from beef, cooked in curry, and then over here we have the meatballs. This is made out of beef with some noodles. It's very delicious.
Yeah.
And over here we have ice cendol. Ice cendol is made from jelly.
Okay.
The green one is jelly.
This one.
But don't get fooled by this one because this doesn't taste like anything. So in order to have a taste, you have to put the sugar,
Yeah.
the brown sugar. So after you combine those two, they are very delicious.
Okay. What? This is. I think they are same.
Yeah, they are the same.
Okay. And this is rice.
Yeah, that's the rice that you just saw.
What about this?
That's the chicken skewer right here.
Yeah.
It's the same.
Okay. What about that one?
Oh, that is like I don't know how to say it, but it's like
Yeah.
how do you say it in your language?
For this.
Yes.
I don't
How
know.
would you describe it?
I don't. I never seen before. Yeah, I never seen.
It's like a pastry of some sort that you're frying this.
Yeah.
You deep fry this, and
Yeah.
it's very delicious.
Yeah.
It has some meat inside, and this one is like pastry but with banana inside.
Yeah. What is good for Indonesian people?
This one, tempe. You know tempe?
Tempe.
Tempe is a very healthy food.
Is it a food?
Yes, it's a meat substitute. So if you're trying to be healthy and you want to cut down on meat, then you can try this one. Yes.
Okay.
This one is made from fermented beans. So you can cut this into thin pieces and then you can fry it. You can basically
Yeah.
make it into anything.
What is this?
Oh, that's our iced tea.
Is it a juice?
Just a normal iced tea.
Okay. Okay. Mashallah. Iced tea.
Yes, that's iced tea.
It's a tea and ice is there.
Yeah, that's iced tea.
So how can I drink? Because it is too much cold. You know.
No, you just
You know, in
ask
Somalia, when we are using a tea, it must be hot,
Oh,
not like this.
no, it's good for like a hot day. It's refreshing.
Yeah, thank you. What's your
You can
name?
try. My name is Evelyn.
Thank you. Nice to meet you, my sister. Nice to meet you. Thank you. Halkan waa dharka ay sameeyaan Indonesianku ay maaragtay kusoo bandhigaan halkan kusoo bandhigayaan hidahooda iyo dhaqankooda maalinta hidaha iyo dhaqanka adduunka marka halkan yeah. Oh, thank you. halkan waa ujeedaan quruxda maasha Allah Indonesia wuxuu ka mid yahay dalalka aan xiiseynayo inaan booqashada ku aado hadduu Ilaahay yiraahdo iska dulqaata maaragtay maanta booqashadaydan waa runtii lama filaan bay ahayd halka inaan imaado